like we're going through a fence here.
What? That was epic. There was blood like there. It was a wave. It was coming like. It was so cool, yeah. Man, are you recording?
Yeah.
So that. Yeah.
We're going straight through the big one, dude. Should I put her in 4x4 so we don't get stuck, just in case? Oh, that's easy.
Oh, cool.
So it was like way deep or what?
It's like a huge puddle. It's so cool.
Yeah. And hopefully we go through some of those big creek crossings like you rode your motorcycle through. I think tomorrow we might get to. Mountain Dew! Splish splash, I was taken.
And it was so cool when it comes out the tires like. It's so cool, man.
Can you imagine how dirty your Kawasaki would be?
Which one?
Any of them. If you're up here riding.
Yeah, I thought, remember when I had the one, the Cat KX, real dirty?
Yeah.
When I went through that one thing, I went through that.
That was crazy, huh?
I was flying everywhere after that. I went fast through it, like.
So a little update on the Torq locker that I installed in this Can-Am front end to help with true four-wheel drive. Had it in for about 6 months now, and I really like it. When I installed the Torq locker though, I did not disable the Visco lock, and that does do some funky stuff. Like that Visco lock will just want to lock up and doesn't let the machine ratchet or let the Torq locker ratchet like it's supposed to. So, and I did not disable it to see if I liked the Torq locker. If I didn't, I was just going to put it back to stock. And then if I did like the Torq locker, I was going to disable if I needed, disable the Visco lock later if I needed to. Because if you disable the Visco lock, you do have to, and you decide you want to go back to a Visco lock differential, you'd have to buy a whole new Visco lock differential. So I didn't want to have to find out the hard way that I didn't like it and spend more money to put it back the way it was. But I am going to disable the Visco lock because I do like the Torq locker. It is superior to the Visco lock, and I am going to disable it. Hopefully that'll eliminate some of the funky things that I believe it's doing. I think it'll tighten up that clutch pack, and then it puts so much pressure on the torque locker it doesn't allow it to ratchet on itself. So I'm going to do that this winter after, when we're not into such good riding season, when I have the time to tear into that front differential and disable that. So that's just a little update, 6-month review on the torque locker. I highly recommend it if that's what you're looking for, something with true 4-wheel drive that you need in rock crawling situations. It's a win in my books, so I give it 2 thumbs up.